Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to today's vlog, a very special one, guys. It's a bright morning. As you can see outside, we have the small roundery around the hanging clothes. So technically, since yesterday it was raining up to now, and and it stopped some few hours ago. So I want to say God thank you also for the gift of life, because everything that I done, it's through God's prayer. And over there we have my young sister. Say hello. I thought you were a man. Yes, so she want to wash their hands and maybe to have some breakfast. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for all welcome to my videos and clicking fast. So today this is my house, and this is how it looks like. Man, I feel so good. I feel so good, you know. Dream are valid, man. Imagine from nothing to something. I have the chairs, you know, back years. Like, let me say, since I joined this platform, this is the second, maybe I think this is the first year. So back years, I didn't have table, I didn't have chairs. Guys, you are amazing for me by watching my videos, by supporting me in other ways. So technically today's videos, we are going to work at my toilet there. We done some cleanness. Since my mason left, we haven't doing like mopping, you know, things like that. So, and oh, I want to close. This is my room actually. So this is the curtain here. As you can see, this is the curtain over here. So anyway, guys, let me take you outside and to see what is going on, and maybe after that I'll come to take my breakfast. Ambia mwiteni akie mchere ameenda wapi? I'll come to have my strong breakfast. Mwambie chukue sani yangu niweke mchere kabla nirudi. So I'm telling my sister, go and tell my brother to put for me rice. This is the rice here. Whoa, welcome to our small kitchen. Before I left, I'm telling you guys, you know, it's our small kitchen, and I want to greet my mom, and also my mom could pass greeting to you. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my mom. They're chopping avocado. We have rice here. Hey. Hey. And guys, this is how our small kitchen looks like. And technically, we're so grateful. So mom, leo tunaenda kufanya kazi chooni. Kudeki. Hey guys, that's the Swahili words. I'm telling my mom today, on today's videos, we're heading to do some cleanness toward our toilet there. So since my mason left, we didn't make some special cleanness inside there. Anyway guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about today's videos, guys, toward my project. I was dreaming, and then God is good, dream come to reality. Man, I just like boom. So you see how my mom makes avocado and rice, right? So anyway, let's go, guys. In case you're new here, that's my mom, and I'm so grateful to have my mom around, because this is a blessed home. I'm telling you, it's a blessed home. So I'm taking you outside. Man, look, it's raining, man. I'm telling you, some few hours, oh, the rain stop up. So finally, I'm outside. Oh, I forget to wear the gumboots, but I'm heading this way. So I want to see how everything is. We have avocado here. We have another one, that one there. Man, look. You know, when you have fruits around your home, I'm telling you, nothing can maybe miss. Maybe if you feel hungry, you take fruits. So here, it's where my sister may be enjoying. You know, every time daytime, you find my sister enjoying here. Wow. So guys, are you ready for this? I'm wake up in the morning with a good vibe for you, and I'm so grateful, and I'm just proud of myself, what I'm doing toward my family. And man, wow, you see, when I wake up early in the morning, when I wash my face, when I'm coming outside, when I see this structure, I said, God, thank you, thank you, thank you a million times. And the rest of my subscriber, may God bless you, because you take full time by watching my videos, comment, and also you advise me, hello baby, do this, do this. And technically, I take your instruction carefully. And when I see success like this, I can't believe. One day maybe it could be happen. So anyway, guys, let me take you inside. But by January, I want to cut these trees all down that you see here. Maybe I will plant some flowers here, some flowers garden, because these trees are not good, because we build these structures here. So the roots will maybe try to keep push the foundation from the ground, because it has long roots. This blue gum that you see here, and I'm advising you guys, if you are living in Africa, don't plant blue gum near to your homestead or near to your house. Maybe you plant far away from your home, because it's not good. It has long roots. For example, it can push this foundation, and maybe you found this one coming with some crack, like from the ground, like. So I don't want maybe those kind of a scenario. And I spend a lot of money in terms of this place here. So want to do some cleanness inside here, guys. I'm telling you. Wow. Inside here, you see, even like here, you want to wipe them, because these are pure white tiles. And also inside here. So tomorrow I will surprise my mom, and then I close the chapter of this project until when I'm starting paint. I will resume back toward my project. So I don't want maybe to show you every day this project, but today I'm done cleanness all rooms, all 4 rooms, and then tomorrow you will see another video. So first, this is my mom washroom. So I don't like to share with my mom washroom, toilet, or like my mom, they want to take shower, for example, inside here. And then we have one washroom. And then, for example, I myself, I had an emergency and I supposed to take shower immediately. So I said, you know what, mom, I want to take shower. Do you hurry up? No. I don't like those kind of habits. So for now, my mom, she have its own washroom. And guys, I want to say thank you so much, my good mom, my good dad, my good brother and sister, by supporting me. And for now, I built for my mom washroom. Recently time, my mom was maybe hiding in the small bushes, taking shower around our home here. And then we build a local bathroom which covering by small potting paper. And for now, I said, you know what? Let me maybe put my all struggling to build maybe a washroom like this. And it's happened. And this is where the water, maybe when mom taking shower, the remaining water will go here and entering there, going that way to the toilet inside. Look, everything is amazing, guys. I put ceiling board, I put tiles even on the ground. And maybe for those people watching my videos and we're being maybe confused a little bit, on the wall it's smooth tiles, but on the floor it's rough. You can compare, guys. This is rough tiles. Even outside I put rough. So that is it. Wow. So this is my mom, and this is my mom's toilet. So technically, after this, maybe done some cleaners. Tomorrow, when I surprise my mom, so I will maybe have some shift and look for the money I bought the paint for this door. So actually, guys, by the time goes, just maybe advise me which color am I going to apply here on both doors, because we have white tiles, and by on the fisher board I'll paint white because white will match on this tiles, but on the door advise me. So to this is my mom. Oh my god. Oh, I'm supposed to cut this door here. So maybe on Monday I'll go to look for my for my carpenter to cut this door because it's touching down, and that's the reason why I was struggling to open it, guys. But sorry for that. You know, it was being maybe closed easily, but when we fix the tiles, it somehow raised up. Wow, this is my mom. So technically, this is my mom's toilet, and actually, for me, I'm decided to give my mom sitting toilet, but my mom, she doesn't like, so she was maybe the best chooser, the best winner. And you see, guys, even right now we want to do some thorough cleanliness. Look, the particle of the cement and all stuff we clean, and everything looks good. So maybe the only thing that are remaining inside here is to put something here, which maybe you can put your tissue paper. I think maybe I will place it here or on this side here. Wow, because when you are sitting inside, I want to see where the right hand will be maybe first. Okay, I'll put it here or here, whichever the case. So the only thing remaining inside here is those equipment, some small equipment like stuff for putting tissue paper, and on other side on the washroom we're remaining with maybe let me show you guys something which we have been remaining with inside here. Maybe right now the things which have maybe remaining, some small instrument, like you can put something here, a metallic one for hanging your towel, and something down also here for putting your soap and scrubbing stuff. Those are the only thing maybe I'm lucky or I'm missing inside the washroom and toilet. But on the toilet, the only thing is to put maybe tissue paper. That being said, so technically that's my mom's washroom. Wow. So this is my brother, like our brothers and sister, but my sister will share with my mom washroom and toilet. So anyway, this is our washroom, another washroom. You know, last and first, it's both washroom or bathroom, but the middle, it's toilet, because on the other side when you're taking shower, the water goes on that toilet. When you take on the last, this bathroom, water go inside there. So this is where the water will maybe flow inside. That is it. And I feel so good. So also in other side, the only thing that are remaining is the place where you can place your towel. Like I will put maybe here. No, at the, it was supposed to be here. I'll put it here. Yeah. So, and maybe things, maybe other things that I'm missing. Maybe detergent of the toilet, you know, like soap, those maybe spring or whatever. But I'll do my best. I will do my best. I will do my best. You see, guys, so we want to do some cleanness. Look here. You see when there's some dirty place. Since my mason left, and we haven't opened here. Oh. Welcome to the sitting toilet. Whoa. Even inside there we have the sun, so we want to clean everything here. Look, it's dirty. So we'll make sure we clean everything, like the scotting, and that's my sister. So this Francia company. Although most of the people comment on my yesterday video, where is your maybe tap or maybe some what you can flash. Guys, in my home where I'm coming from, no power, no maybe solar panel, and actually we done manually. So like we have the toilet like this one here. I will put the bucket of water there. So if we finish up, maybe you excusing yourself inside here, you fetch water from there with a small maybe jug, you pour it inside there, you do everything, and that is it. You see, when my sister, they tried to remove some sand. Okay, so that is it, and we coming to do I'll come to do everything. So let me check my mom. And that is it. So guys, anyway, I want to say thank you a million by keep supporting me. Usitoe hiyo gunia hapo, sawa? Yaboni? Usitoe hiyo gunia. So by keep supporting me until the end, and I have long way to go on this journey. So I need your full support by watching my video, and maybe if you feel like you can do something to me, guys, just do it. Love is for free. And let me go and take my breakfast, and then after breakfast we'll come together as family to do some cleanness. So the only thing that are remaining here, I have already have the paint inside my house. The only thing remaining here is to do rough cast. I'm lucky, or I'm missing, maybe I'm missing 2 bags of cement and labor money. Actually the labor money goes to 10 USD, and 2 bags of cement goes to 20 USD, because it's like 900 and maybe 50 something there Kenyan money. So roughly that's $10. So when I have maybe $30, I can finish everything here. But painting, I will do myself. I know how to paint. I will do myself. You know something, maybe you must know maybe at least one course. I know how to paint because when I was doing the work of handman, I know how to mix balanced. I know how to mix the sand and cement. I know how to paint. I know how to scrub the wall and then to paint. And that is things which I was maybe doing back here. So far so good, guys. I'm heading inside my house to take my breakfast, and then we'll see. We'll see, guys. Wow. You see, guys, when I was passing here, went to my project there, I was telling you every day My sister enjoying here. Uchunge mti tu. Right, that is it. You can't maybe find my sister going to my neighbor's house, maybe praying with some kids and all stuff. But she was maybe praying here alone, 24 hours with maybe my cousin kids inside there, or my aunt's kids. That's why I'm calling the my cousin, because they were being maybe younger than me. They were being maybe small. So the age of my sister, they won't be maybe praying around. So the good thing maybe in our family here, in general, no one maybe who going maybe to pray to our neighbors like over there. You can't maybe found. So we found them maybe around the compound here. And then maybe sometime when maybe you play, maybe for example, when my sister go and pray with my neighbor's kids, and then you heard, oh, my sister beats my neighbor's kid, or my sister being beaten by neighbor's kids, and we don't like those kind of scenario. We just avoid it, and that is it. So technically, guys, let me go inside my house and to have my breakfast, and then after that, wait. So guys, because my mom, she was rushing to somewhere else, so she told me to do some cleanliness first, and then I'll come to take my breakfast. So wake up. Imagine have water here. So we are putting water. How much is it? Oh. Ahora te vamos a manchar tu. Ahora te vamos a manchar tu. Mukiri to kamiri so irige buri hinyo hugo. Kani fita ino gotobu ke bana mara ibi gai kundika. Kura. Na kiri vesa.
Kuka bora kungo umaka. Nando kungo kungo ngata iba suka na kufunga kitu ndio nyepesi. Yanda tutoke nienda kulishi.
See, my mom is smoking here. So, like I'm telling you, I'm going to buy the mopper like this one, and the bucket, and maybe we have the brush actually for removing water from the tiles. You know.
Hapo chini hapo kwa twist.
Kemke banchika wesire mutaniribira tu.
Ate bafu yana nenda.
Ambirade kibubyons. Okay. That being said earlier, we want to do some cleanliness in general, both of my family here. Taya baba. Deta homo. Abataya. Kana hangat. Narasam. Okay, we have the small liquid soap here. Oh, I them can be the utabeba. Ay. Sasa kitambani moja umeleta.
Simwambia leta mimi nilikuwa pano. Nandu leta.
Okay, so my brother he was heading outside with bucket of water, And my mom, she was coming with mop and basin. So we wanna do some cleaners here. And actually, guys, I was telling you, I'm going to take my breakfast and then come to do some cleaners. So my mom postponed. He was going to somewhere else. And then let's us doing cleaning first, and then I'll take my breakfast. No problem. That is it. You know, my mom, she was my first priority. She can advise me, do this, I do that. Do this, I do this. How do you feel? Imagine, guys. That's a small liquid soap. Tutaanzia huko tukikuja hivi. Mwanangu umanye kibuku ankugusika. Wonde bora. Kungura kwa tutigana nao. So this water here we fetch from the tank. Hey, you see that view, man? You had the cock, so it's morning here. Wankuike mwishatako ngore kengo kosekere mukire to mai kuro hands. Wow. So first we want to start from here going on the other side. So like we do some cleanness inside here and then we come outside. Look, even like this one, but this one it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Wow. Ah, for me, I would do some cleanness outside here. Karankuyo. Let the cock right there. So for me, I want to clean outside the tiles and technically toa hii nini hapa ndani. Shika hizi vitambaa kwanza. Weka kwa ndoo huko. Ama shikilia tu. So, want to put. We finish up.
Eka maji.
So, two.
Sindio.
Toa moja.
Fatiri.
So, we have kamua hii. Kamua hii. Nikamulia kabisa. So I want to start. For me, I want to start cleaning outside here. Like that way. How are you, my good people?
My friend.
Everything it's good here and there. Everything is good here and there. You know, my good people. Ana usiju kanyage maji yenye yako na sabuni utatereza. Ngoenda. Jadi mbak tahu seranda. You like this. Yes, guys. So today it's a cleaning day, guys. I'm telling you. Kana hayongo day ke turu aringa kyanyu matiho. Even the sitting board. Even the sitting board, guys. You see? Even the sitting board. Because that being said, my mason have been putting cement here. You see, even like this one, guys, it's totally different with here. Orang na South Africa ya road. Ang tuandiga tuanze kuru hano turakwiye hayo tuanguchafura hano tusokira mwisho hano. Tapano abenge. Tapano abenge. Oh guys, I'm telling you, it's thorough cleanness because like when my mason fixing the tiles, what is like when my mason fixing the tiles. I'm trying to tambara. What's up? No karusini burashi baba. What's up? Oh, because you have the remaining cement here. We need everything to be look clean, you see. Mama nyoruchi hano bwana betu turalichokora deki. Tutaranga. Tachuni bura nani ya udeki mo. Toka bana. So guys, after that clean. Muita baba tacha tobe nani kibira mo. Acha fore. After that we come outside. Yeah. Oh, that is cleanness, guys. No.
Atamba kama na warenge ngangige tokiatire kerusi ugateha. Kawifu kango taki alikalisa vizuri.
Yaani wote brush mama sugue pale kana unoe. Na ukanyage vizuri hapo. So today no jokes here, guys. I do cleanness here. Oh, bwana yangu chenji. You see my mom is the other side. I'm not the brush. Iga? And then mama, you make sure. Maybe kama unatumia choro, people will avoid touching these tiles. Ewati ya mbuyera manchi nkuyagale.
Karibu ya sana. Narenganya no nibereke.
Wantu musukuma wana waturi nani hiligo tukuma ticho ya. Tukuma nigigigana wari guturi simiti.
Kana chugande tu musukura no.
Maige ntukere kikenani.
Ki, lego kiru.
Kira musukure ni brush, yeah. Yes, I'm telling my mom the brush is coming to rub that lid for the toilet. The brush is just over here.
Nandu lata chari mama na mama.
Alikuwa kwa wote. Yeah. Kauli.
Na mikali hivu ya. Kenya bosi wangu nikaka wivu kango tele.
Wow guys. I was having some sweet talk with my mom. Oh. Let me bring the remaining tiles, the piece of tiles, because we have some errors there. Like here, I want to remove this stuff here, like that way. Yeah, Leta. Wewe Leta.
Ngitiki wana kitama na halawe hata kigaki.
Right. Inside here no problem. Everything is very fantastic. Tarata macha ikiribira rindera nkoke. So I want to wipe, you see guys, inside here. Wow guys, you see even inside here. Wait, tarata bunga maraba tarai. Ini biru raba barakin. Berapa? Orang kamu ada barakin. Orang kamu barakin. Wow. So today guys, it's a special one. Yeah, come. You know, like inside here, we have some small sand here. Some small. Timmy God.
Kama ichimbe tatasi harati kama sichua ya chikukate kate. Manto maikara na bana. Tete.
We do cleanness guys here. It's a thorough cleanness here. I'm telling you, no jokes. What a good day, guys. Aba hantu kuringa kuyanyuma tuturagine birato.
no ko ingasi ndoche sa. Ni sasa tigasi hono bara.
Super amazing. Oh, even down here. Down here.
Ai, eu ao famo.
Oh my God. Mutangira kata industria marapa. Wow. Technically right now it's pure clean. You see? No worry. No problem, guys. Nipakiti.
Ara karibu yu mstari bila kakora. Mancho wa kufata kara.
Eh.
Mwaini kan. Ali suku. Chandu nu wage witi.
Nipakiti.
Ali gosawa bono. Moso kirigo.
Eh. Everything will look amazing. Hey. Oh. This is the sink. We sit like this. Imagine this. Look. You sit like this. You relax. You release your food. No problem. Like, oh, look at my back, guys. They're like, oh. I want to remove some sand here. Like, that will affect this place. Nada você pode ver.
Não aqui a planta.
Uou!
Kweli tuko bora mwana wale titatu. Wako na madoido.
Imagine here. For now, guys, I think it's okay. So it's coming slowly. Look. It's coming slowly.
Yeah.
Like over there, over there, over there. And then we lock. Over there, over there. Oh, boom. Right, so my mom the one. Mwezi tashangi kenuku ya nyuma tu. So for me. Songa twende. Sogezi yo ya omo kwenda huko. Nyuma yetu. Kwenda huko nyuma. Oh. You see even like this one here. I do. Amanda.
Ah, ya to cho.
You go. I'm gonna do from here.
Well guys, anyway, stay tuned. We shall meet maybe on the next while I'm finished this work with my mom and also with my brother, also with my young sister. We just over here as a family, guys, so stay tuned. Guys, you see there, my mom is cleaning that toilet over there. I supposed to give my mom this toilet, but she doesn't like the sitting one. Right? Sasa tutaenda kukalia, acha mama atafuata, toka hapa.
Natarire rikora bota ho tetuye.
Kambe ngire kigaikero no gasu nebo ina gasu.
Kera nikimumbira nsuburiye hara nanyore
Kubihora ke.
kakire.
So guys, right now I want to clean. Data mutamato ranto. You see? Here. Nana tangiri dia. Kera pa. Utora no ranka mo. Mani chinkomu. Wow. Itu Itu soy mono se marapam. No, aham. Uru se marapam moga. Ma kwiro mamor. Kumenta atri kuhinya.
Tamra manchila.
Taso uru se marapam moga re.
Aku devi ah. No marapam no. Ko odre
Kana kayu.
ko odre ka wata pianda.
Kana ambe ngota gira ngora karus. Guys, there's some small store inside there. That's why you see there? So my brother is removing. Supervisor. She's a supervisor too much. You see guys? So total do week.
Kapangu sa kaya ko yung tututo. Kasi
Madi, yanatoka wapi? Kabavu.
Rahmete mama. Rahmete manchim. Tabangu sahara terus kita mulai so. Tabangu sa kumunya ha.
toka le busu toka injera wewe.
Aya.
Get out supervisor. Ngora pole pole. Umesugwa vigai. Kwenda mbele hapo ukiona simitu na stop. Mata manche Muhammad. Quem curinho ora?
Ano ba chora? Karu tilama.
Jai buku sema na mahanga moga.
Ono moto mukongo ngo muru. Oi wala asire mora ginte konti bigamo kan. So then I'll pour water inside there. Oh, guys. I want to taste water to pour inside there because we have the initial water which my plumber put inside there. So I have to put like this. So it's working, I think.
Yeah.
Wow. Ngokore heri. Mono no dai kiri waru mo muitai.
Akararu.
Wow.
Ngwenta. Kana wanga sio.
We say goodbye maybe inside there. See my mom. She was mama pole. But I don't think it's time. But come on, Saruchi. And give it to you beside mama. Monopono, no problem. Well, guys, I think we're on the last lap. You know, so my mom, she was coming from other side.
And I myself just going this way. You know? That being said, guys, make sure everything looks good. Go ahead, guys. Ah, deve ser isso. Quando eu vi ter o outro suco isso assim.
Ngurai bigai mbiti ramu tatu ngoro. Kono sasi bukamu ngutungyo.
Pone si miteo ni rirwa, utaki usi. Mai ni chinkano.
Muni chinkan. Kananda ro beno kubyo kusinira ro kuranga bakebira. Mura manu ro kwanza sibi ngare.
Papa, tá rindo, vamos ter como ver matéria.
Ngurai. Ngwana nungona basi gokora.
Hey, mom, man. Oh, wow. So let me continue here, and then I'm get outside like that way. You have water? Okay. I need to do outside here. No. Okay. Oh. Wow, guys. Oh. Oh. Wow, guys. Guys, thank you so much for your full support. And I'm just over here. Today I'm doing cleanness with my family outside. Yeah, outside like that. It's even right here. So when you do like this, when you wipe, it looks clean. Wow, super amazing. Oh, like that way. Mama, tiga haki wanda yake hanoi ne very mbere han wikire karan tiga haki wa ben ma. Now guys, I was telling my mom I forget to wipe this even here. To wipe here. Oh, Satan on the kid. Wow! Perfect one. Yes, I think right now it's okay. So, mom, that's a near breakfast minion.
Hi.
Soon I get me a hub. So guys, I'm telling my mom, let me have my breakfast and then I'll go because my mom she was going somewhere else. So we decided to do some cleanness and then she will go maybe somewhere else. Kile kigai kiko wapi? Ma hara. Mabintu nisimili tiriro he. Kibere kende kunya manchara kongera. Tukuma hu.
Kongera ibai turomona ma.
Hey, hanora etigone.
Ka kongan kuwe.
Hey.
Talk.
Anyway guys, so keep follow this vlog. Right now I left my side there, so I'm going to take my breakfast. Wow, let's go, I want to have my breakfast and then woo. Wow. Oh. Oh, guys. Oh, let me wash my hand first because I was doing some work there. We have the soap here. Actually, the soap, and technically I'm washing my hand. Oh. Wow. So let me take the cup inside here. Kuna kijiko pale ndani? Oh. Wow. So I'm asking my sister, did you put for me some spoon? Because I want to take my breakfast. Wow. So is the tea here, have the cup, have the rice over here. Wow, wow, wow. I think that is enough for me. Okay, this is the rice. So first thing, before you eat, we pray, guys. God bless this food. Before I take it, in Jesus' name I pray, amen. Wow, guys, so let me enjoy my breakfast here. Anyway, guys, the rice was so delicious, and we shall meet on the next video when I finish taking this breakfast. Man, thank you so much by maybe watching this vlog for today. And guys, please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe, share my videos to your family. I'm on road to 6K subscriber, and I'm just climbing the ladder, guys, slow until I will reach our target. Maybe I think by the May next year, maybe it's bad, let me say maybe May, I will be 10,000 subscriber. I really appreciate things are can be available. Maybe today or tomorrow wake up I'm in 10,000 subscriber, but it's good to make some practice, and I climb the ladder slowly. So after my job, I'm coming to take my breakfast. When I take rice or the strong breakfast, once I forget eating lunch, yeah, so maybe we'll meet on supper. So anyway, guys, thank you so much. My God bless you. More amazing videos coming from inside my house, so it depends where I can get maybe the vlog, guys, so stay tuned, man. Well, guys, I want to end my video, but right now maybe I change. I'm on Dem Dam Dog, the white shirt. Big shout out to Dem Dam Dog company. And anyway, guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. And guys, if you are from my side, go and check Aisha Wine, Twin Sister TV, subscribe, and also don't forget, go and check Monkia 23, and subscribe, and also go and check both of my Mason, Ken V254,
and also Mo Ibra Tires. He was the one who done. He was the one who finished everything over there. So thank you so much. May God bless you. Maybe today I decide to give all people that are maybe work around my home and all stuff. And also I wish you all the best. All my subscriber, I wish you a happy day. So we are on Christmas season right now, so maybe remaining with 3 weeks, we say 2024 goodbye. So we'll see, maybe next year, by God's grace, we see maybe will be the same like this. 2025 will be the same like 2024, because this year, man, I'm telling you, I see a lot of success coming toward my family. Imagine, let me say, for example, 2024 I built that toilet. 2025 I built my mom's dream house. By God's grace, up to 2026. 2026 I do another step. 2027 another step. But slowly, guys. I'm not maybe pressuring you or pressure I myself. I'm just doing slowly until when I finish. So anyway, guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. Shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. I wish you happy Christmas, good Christmas. I know maybe most of the people right now, you are planning maybe Christmas Day. Maybe you can slaughter a cow, goats. Maybe you have some good party in a good way. And don't forget Hello Baby also here. I'm just over here. And technically, guys, we shall maybe see on that day. And also, remember, it was my birthday, 25th December. In general, all over the world, we'll celebrate Christmas as my birthday, man. I'm so blessed. I'm so happy, guys. So we shall meet on the next video, guys. Bye.